Pisces, my water babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. If this page has been a blessing to you, check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. I do have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day is I am the light. I am the torch that is leading everyone out of their wilderness, showing that the impossible is possible. I am the lighthouse that's leading people out of troubled waters into their safety. You guys are the standard. Shine, baby, shine. Continue to glow because you found your purpose. When you want to find your purpose, fall in love with your service. I always have hope. No matter the ordeal, I have faith in a better future. I turn darkness into light. I open my heart to others and to God, and I am spiritually strong. I draw light to me, and I shine with all my being, and I help light up the world. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.